Hi guys, I just wanted to give you a little bit of a demonstration here on what I'm expecting for you to have completed regarding this last and final essay of the course, which is your compare and contrast essay. So I hope you found time to watch the video because that really is going to be helpful for you as you're preparing, your thesis statement and how you're going to be following the 5-paragraph format that we've been using all semester long. So while your essay isn't technically due until the last day of our course, I wanted to give you all of this information now because not only do you have one final writing center appointment to complete, which you'll need some content for, right? You know, you cannot get more than an 85 if you do not enter your collaboration session with something substantial already written. So you're going to want to have this pre-writing step completed, and this is going to be the requirement, for this week. You can certainly go beyond that if you, have an idea and you just want to get it all written out. That's fantastic. I added a topic choice, kind of online classes versus on ground, just because of what you've all experienced over these last few weeks. I think that's something we can all relate to and would be something, you probably have something substantial to say about at this point in time. So again, pre-writing process is going to include some sort of graphic organizer. I do like the Venn diagram best. It does give you a real nice visual of what you need to structure your essay. So in this very simple example that I chose online is just about fruits. So they're comparing apples and oranges, right? We hear that saying all the time. So what's going on here is they are using this one circle to talk about everything, related to apples. They have a thin keel. They're moderate to subtropical climates. The center of diversity is Turkey. It's a fruit. It grows on trees and it gives juice. Well, oranges, they're tropical, have a thick keel. They came to Europe from India, and they are also a fruit, grow on trees, and give juice. So you could see where on this side, this is how the oranges are different from the apples. So that's your, contrasting information. And then here in the middle, you have your similar characteristics, and that's what you would be comparing between the two different concepts. So really simple. Let me just get back over here and show you that I have prepared for you a Venn diagram that is going to be blank that you can print out for yourself. It's going to be posted to our Canvas page. I can get it for you. Here it is. So it's posted to the Canvas page, and you can print this out, fill in your own information on whichever topic you have chosen, and, just get that pre-writing step kind of going, put your thoughts down on paper so that you can start a first draft, okay? Don't forget, this needs to be an MLA format, 5-paragraph, and please reach out and let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Okay, have a great night.